Hi, everybody. It's time to get started with our phonics lesson today. Phonics is the study of words and learning spelling patterns to help us read and spell. So, our learning target today, which tells us what we will aim for, says, I can match words with the same beginning sound. Let me read that again. I can match words with the same beginning sound. So in the past few days, we've talked about where sounds are in a word, and we practiced yesterday with end sounds, ending. And then the day before yesterday, we practiced with listening for those beginning sounds. So today we're going to match words. Now, when you match something, you look for the same. So matching means looking to put two things that are the same together, like these matching socks. Aren't they cute? I wish I had a pair like that. So for example, we have a sock and a sun. Listen, sock, sun. What sound do you hear at the beginning of both sock and sun? Let's pause and find out. Very good, crew. We hear the sound S at the beginning. So we're going to go ahead and practice some of these together, and I'm going to need your help. So is everybody ready to sit up tall? Okay, good. Remember, when we are committed to our learning, we are focused as best we can by keeping our eyes on the screen, our bodies sitting in a way where we can learn, and we're not playing, but we're focusing on learning and growing our brain. So before we begin working together on our beginning sounds, let's take a look at our alphabet linking chart. We've been practicing this linking chart and the sounds that they make the last 2 days using a song. But today, we're actually going to go through our linking chart with a my turn, your turn. I will say something about the letter, and you are going to repeat it. So for example, I will say A, apple, A. And you will repeat me, A, apple, A. Are we ready? Here we go. A, apple, A. Good, I see some of your mouths moving. B, bear, B. Come on, guys. C, cat, C. D, dog, D. E, egg, E. F, fish. G, gate, G. H, hat, H. I, igloo, I. J, jack, J. K, kite, K. L, leaf, L. M, moon, M. N, nest, N. O, octopus, A. P, pig, P. Q, queen, Q. R, ring, R. S, sun, S. T, turtle, T. Good. U, umbrella, V, vacuum, V. W, window, woo. X, x-ray, X. Y, yo-yo, yee. Z, zipper, Z. All right, nice job. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Other way. Good job, friends. Okay, now it's your turn to practice matching those beginning sounds, just like sock and sun. So here we have a bat, and we're going to match bat with one of these words here. So bat could have the same beginning sound as dog. Bat could have the same beginning sound as fish, or bat could have the same beginning sound as bag. If you think the bat matches with dog, you're going to show a 1. If you think bat matches with fish, 2. And if you think bat matches with bag, 3. Show me your answer now. Let me see. Okay, if you're holding a 3 up, you are correct. Very good job. Bat, bag. Try it. Okay, let's try another one. Here we have a dog. Okay, we'll see which of the words on the other side have the same beginning sound as d, dog. Is it pizza, donut, or nest? If you think dog and pizza have the same beginning sound, show a 1. If you think dog, donut, show a 2. Dog, nest, show a 3. Okay, let me see what all of you think the answer is. Okay, the answer is 2. Dog, donut. Let's do truck driver. Honk, honk. 10-4, good, buddy. All right, let's try another one. Here we have pizza. All right, I'm going to go a little faster here because I think you understand what to do now. So, pizza, popcorn, pizza, cat, pizza, bowl. Show me what number you think is the correct answer. Good. 1. Popcorn. Pizza, popcorn. Think you're getting the hang of it. Cheese grater. You're great. Okay, here we have a snake. Let's see which answer you think is correct. Is it snake octopus, snake apple, or snake sun? Hold up what answer you think is correct. Let me see. The answer is 3. Snake, sun, both begin with S. Let's do firecracker. Boom. All right, way to go. Next one. This guy is walking. Walking. Is it walking flower, walk water, or walk pen? Show me your answer using your fingers. Let me see. Yep, I don't see everybody. And if you're at home watching this video, if you are not live with us watching this video, I hope you are holding up an answer too. The answer is number 2. Walk, water. They both begin with woo. This is a mom. Hey, mom. Is it mom 10, mom juice, mom mouse? Show me your answer. Hot dog. Yes, it is 3. Mom mouse. Way to work it, friends. So now you're going to get a chance to practice in Seesaw, matching beginning sounds. So as usual, you will go into your activities here, and you're going to find beginning sound picture match. Let's listen to the directions.
Tap Add Response. Say the name of the picture in the box. Look at the pictures on the right side of the page. Find a picture whose beginning sound is the same as the picture in the box. Use the Move tool to match the pictures. Continue until all pictures have been matched by beginning sound. Tap Pages to go to the next page. Tap Check to submit your journal.
Okay, so let's take a look at what this will look like. Okay, so we are going to match these pictures here with these pictures here. And I'm going to use my hand tool to move these pictures here. Okay, so remember to listen for that first sound or beginning sound. So I see a rainbow. So I'm looking for a picture that begins with R. You see one? Let's pause and see which one you would match. Okay, the ring. So you would move the ring over. Let's do one more as a class. Let's do juice. Juice. I hear j at the beginning of juice. Do you see a picture that would have the same beginning sound as j? It begins with j. Let's pause and see what you would pick. Yes, sir. Jellyfish. That's a tough one if you haven't never seen one before. So you're going to go ahead and continue matching these pictures so that they have matching beginning sounds. And then there's over here, there's another one here, and another one here. Oh, there's a mermaid. Those are fun. When you're all finished with matching your beginning sounds and you feel that you've done your very best, go ahead and click that check over here. By the way, I was going to show you, if you're ever in one of these assignments and you forget the instructions, you can click here and you could actually listen to the instructions again. Oop, not that. Oop, I don't want to do that either. Okay, well, anyway, you could listen to those instructions again. So now it's time for you to go ahead, friends, and get started by going into your activities and looking for your matching beginning sounds. And I will see you all learning. All right, get to work, friends. Proud of you.